join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Baby wakes up smiling bright, sunlight in the air. Off to play inside the park, adventures everywhere. Tiny shoes go tap, tap, tap along the grassy ground. Every step is full of joy, every sight profound. Baby plays in the park today, running, laughing all the way. Slides and swings and giggles too, everything feels fresh and new. Baby climbs the little slide, holding on so tight. Down they go with happy squeals, faces full of light. Birds are singing up above, fluttering through the sky. Baby waves and giggles loud as they fly so high. Baby plays in the park today, running, laughing all the way. Slides and swings and giggles too, everything feels fresh and new. Baby sees a butterfly with wings of yellow gold, crawling near the flowers, bright, so brave and bold. Baby toddles after it, careful where they go. Leaves go crunch beneath their feet in a gentle row. Little breezes blowing soft, trees begin to sway. Baby claps and dances round, smiling all the way. Kids are playing hide and seek, calling from the trees. Baby joins with happy steps, feeling calm and free. Baby digs a sandy hill beside the wooden swing, building tiny castles with a leaf for everything. Parents cheer and watch nearby, hearts so proud and warm. Baby's joy fills up the park like sunshine after storm. Baby plays in the park today, running, laughing all the way. Slides and swings and giggles too, everything feels fresh and new. Evening comes and birds go home, sky turns soft and pink. Baby takes a final stroll down the garden brink. Holding tight to loving hands, sleepy eyes that spark. Dreams of playing once again inside the happy park.